Bye! There's only this one fault. No lights on the dash right now. The customer did say the ABS light and I believe the traction control light were both on previously. Does that mean we need to try and replicate the symptoms? Does that mean we need to do further research? I think yes to both. Oh. So after checking the fuses, I didn't find any that were blown. Unfortunately, it is not that easy. I'm just gonna go for a quick little test drive to compare the live data with what's on the dash. Oh, the light came on right away. Looks like it's reading the same. Okay, so luckily the lights are still on the dash. Brake light switch does work. Steering angle sensor is responding. All of the speed sensors are reading. Hopefully there are more future tests that I can do. So it's not the sensors, it's not the steering angle sensor, it is not a brake light switch problem. So far it seems like it is not. It is possible that it can be the module, and we also got the fuses out of the way.